When you stop explaining yourself, when you stop chasing validation, when you just lock in and put that energy back into you, life starts shifting in ways you can't even describe. People don't understand that peace is power. They think noise is progress, but it's not. The real growth happens when you cut all that off and focus on what's in front of you, your grind, your goals, your healing. You gotta understand, not everybody deserves to know your next step. When you start moving in silence, you take your power back. You stop giving people a chance to doubt you, distract you, or talk you out of what you know you're destined for. Every time you speak on your plans before they manifest, you give energy to opinions that were never meant to shape your path. So stop talking about it. Start building it. Let your work speak. Let your results echo louder than your words ever could.